Good morning everyone. Today you are going to learn about globe, latitudes and longitudes. So before going into our topic, let me conclude one thing. That is, what is the shape of our earth? Once again I am asking, what is the shape of our earth? See, generally what you will say, the shape of our earth is sphere or else spherical. See, today let us know what is the true shape of our earth. Generally, the true shape of our earth is flattened in north and in the south side. Flattened in the north and in the south side, and bulges in the east and in the west side. Once again I am repeating, the true shape of earth is flattened in north and in the south sides, and bulges in the east and in the west side. Okay, so that is the true shape of our earth. And now, why globe is taken as a model of our earth? Why globe is taken as a model of our earth? Why? Because, see, have you ever seen a globe? Whenever you look at a globe, it resembles our earth. It means it looks like a model of our earth. It looks like a small model of our earth. So that is why globe is taken as a model of our earth. So why globe is taken as a model of our earth? Because it resembles our earth. That is why globe is taken as a model of our earth. Okay. So now, have you ever seen a globe? The globe is not straight. That globe is not straight. It is little bit tilted like this. Have you ever seen? So how that globe is tilted, in the same way our earth is also little bit tilted with its axis. Okay. Earth is not straight, it is little bit tilted. Okay. Now, our next topic is axis. Axis. So, axis is nothing but imaginary line. It means the line, that line we cannot see. It means that line is an imaginary line which joins North Pole and South Pole. An imaginary line which joins North Pole and South Pole is called axis. Once again I am repeating, imaginary line which joins North Pole and South Pole is called axis. Okay. Now, equator. Have you ever heard the word equator? Yes, you heard. Equator is nothing but, it is a horizontal line or the line which is drawn from east to west. Line which is drawn from east to west, and that divides earth into two equal halves. 0 degree latitude is also called as equator. Circle which divides earth into two equal halves is called equator, and 0 degree latitude is also called as equator. Okay, the north part of equator, it means the part which is above the equator is called north part. The part which is below the equator is called south part. Okay, the north part of the equator is called as northern hemisphere, and the south part of the equator is called as southern hemisphere. Now let us learn about latitudes and longitudes. Okay, latitudes. We are having 180 latitudes. Okay, we are having 180 latitudes excluding equator. It means we are not including equator here. Excluding equator, we are having 180 more latitudes. Okay, and we are having 360 longitudes. We are having 360 longitudes. Okay, 0 degree latitude is called as equator. 0 degree latitude is called as equator, and 0 degree longitude is called as prime meridian. 0 degree latitude is called as equator, and 0 degree longitude is called as prime meridian. Okay, now let us know what is parallels of latitudes and what is meridians of longitudes. Parallels of latitudes. All parallel circles from equator to poles. All parallel circles from equator to poles is called parallels of latitudes. See, what do you mean by parallel circles? Parallel circles. It means the distance between two circles, the distance between two circles are equal. If the distance between two circles are equal, then they are called parallel circles. Okay, if such parallel circles are drawn from equator to poles, then that is called parallels of latitudes. Okay, next, meridians of longitudes. All vertical lines from north pole to south pole is called meridians of longitudes. Once again I am repeating, all vertical lines from north pole to south pole is called meridians of longitudes. See, all vertical lines are longitudes and all horizontal circles are latitudes. Okay, unlike parallels of latitudes, all meridians are of equal length. All meridians are of equal length, and the distance between two longitudes decreases towards poles. See, you already learned, it means I have already said about this parallel circles, no? So the distance between each circle is equal till poles. From equator to poles, the distance between any two circles is equal, but the size of the circles is different. Okay, similarly, the lines which is drawn from north pole to south pole, that is called meridians of longitude. So the length of the line which is drawn from north pole to south pole, all the meridians, all the longitudes which is drawn on earth, it means that 360 longitudes is of equal length. Okay, but the distance between each longitudes decreases towards poles. Understood? Unlike parallels of latitudes, all meridians are of equal length and the distance between the longitudes decreases towards poles. Okay.